Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number ST198. This is your standard grease cap for your 5-lug trailer axle hubs. Let's take a look at it. Okay, this is part number ST198. This is your standard grease cap for your 5-lug trailer axle hubs. So this isn't as common anymore, but they're still out there. Axles that don't have the easy lube zerk fitting on the end of the spindles, they would use these, and we stock them, and we'll just measure it out real quick. So the measurement where it's actually going to go inside the hub is going to be 1.98 inches, same as part number TPU 21-41, and the overall height is going to be 1.17 inches. And these are for the 5-lug trailer axle hubs. Pretty standard. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.